The existence of God is the most disputed property on the internet. Most human beings believe in the existence of God, yet somehow absolute faith in God still does not exist. In absence of that vital ingredient, the absolute faith in God Almighty, most human beings in life do not reach the goal of their life. Unless we have full faith in God, unless we have full faith in the existence of God Almighty, nothing much can be achieved on the spiritual path. We realize the presence of flower by its fragrance. Even if we do not see the flower, the presence of a flower can always be recognized by its fragrance. We cannot see God Almighty, but its presence is always felt in things cosmic. The beautiful cosmos created by God Almighty. If human beings exist, God Almighty also exists. Why? What makes us say so? Going back in time, almost to the beginning of time, when the cosmos is forming. Still before, when the old cosmos is dying out, the dissolution of the old cosmos is occurring. What happens then? The moment the complete dissolution of the old cosmos occurs, as per the sacred Bhagavad Gita of Hinduism, the volume of the entire cosmos reduces to the size of half a thumb. And what is this half a thumb? The volume of all purified souls, Atmans in the cosmos at a given point of time reduces to the size of half a thumb at the time of dissolution of the cosmos. Does it mean at the time of dissolution of the cosmos, all souls, Atmans, reach the last manifest stage of life, the 8.4 millionth manifestation, the last in the cosmic life cycle? Yes, the truth is so. The moment the entire cosmos reduces to the size of half a thumb, this massive energy, this celestial power, unable to contain itself for long in its prime pure state, again explodes with a big bang, giving birth to a new cosmos, a new journey of life. All souls, Atmans, restart their cosmic journey, and in the process, these hurtling souls, Atmans, gather impurities as a rolling ball gathers moss. With passage of time, as planets become conducive like Mother Earth, enabling souls, Atmans to manifest themselves, to manifest life, the souls, Atmans start their cosmic journey. The first manifestation as an amoeba. It is only through the process of 8.4 million manifestations on the whole an earthly life cycle of 98.4 million years, the soul Atman finally liberates itself from the cycle of birth and death. Never before. If human beings exist, if life exists in the cosmic system, so do God Almighty. Does it mean half the size of a thumb, the combined volume of all souls Atmans is what we define as God Almighty? Yes, the definition of God Almighty is the combined power of all purified souls Atmans in the cosmos at a given point of time. Does it mean the Big Bang occurs when God Almighty explodes himself? Yes, the truth is so. The formation of the cosmos, the Big Bang theory confirms the existence of God Almighty. If there was no Big Bang, there would not be any God nor human beings. The existence of us as human beings, the existence of life itself confirms the existence of God Almighty. A grain of sand, a single soul Atman, the whole mound of sand, God Almighty. A tiny piece of puzzle, a single soul Atman, the completed puzzle, God Almighty. Every individual soul Atman plays its role, similar as every single individual piece of a puzzle. Does it mean every form of life, every human being has a distinct role to play in the cosmic system? Yes, that is the most beautiful part of life. Every living being, every human being has a role to play in the cosmic system. The existence of God can never be denied, come whatever may.